Good morning, everyone. My name is Shrikant. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, Yesterday's market was very interesting. I think it was correctly as per our trade plan. Let's go to what was the trade plan yesterday. I think then we'll go for the next analysis. So we said I will be selling on rise, good risk and reward. For for me, panic selling may come in today or tomorrow. Hold selling position and I will take next week position for safer side. Also, I said I will be took in Indian call writing for small quantity on 17,000 or this. So I took in the money position on 17,750 and it rewarded me actually very nicely. Uh, and even I booked profit in 17,000 1,800 profit and I took the another even I booked profit in 17,700, 17,800, 17,750. I faced some loss in 17,650, but that was a calculated loss. I was bit aggressive because, but I think uh, it was giving at the point it was giving 2,000 profit, but I forgot to somehow I was been busy something and I missed to book it because I was thinking market will spend time over there. That's fine. I think part of journey, but it was very nice that we planned it, we executed it, and we got the profit. I think it's very important to show how much I have profit because I don't want to. Uh, so here, so overall, I got 10,000 rupees profit. So around 300, 3,000, 350, 3,500 was the profit, and I lost some money in bank nifty trade that I'm practicing as of now. And even I lost around 1,000 in 17,600. So these levels I lost, but finally I took some profit at home with my very correct trade plan. And I think this is what we need to learn that get a profit, at least some at profit at home. So it will be good for next trades. So uh, that's how it is. So, but importantly, we plan the trade, we execute the play trade, and we got profit. So it was very sure trade plan. That's it. I think then let's review the today's market. So this was yesterday's market, but I feel if it was not a Thursday, we would have seen uh, another 100 points or deep, and I think because of this one expiry, market tried to be in range, and I think that's a good sign that market was in range. So what we can do today? So today market actions was like so. At this point itself, I sold the 700. I think I sold 750 in the money somewhere, and then when it got bounced, I sold 700. Then and here at this point, I sold a 650. At this point, it was giving me some good profit, but I missed a good big profit. Even this wave also giving some good profit, but I missed it because I was expecting that market will spend some time here. But unfortunately, market turned upside and gave me some loss. That's fine, not an issue. So what we can do? Uh, Definitely. Uh, Yesterday there was a good selling into the market, and I was having some in the put of 18,000 thousand level. So even that is in good profit, but I have not booked it. I'm expecting another round of selling at least for another 100 points or 150 points. Because if the selling, if you look at the yesterday's other all market, they were around 3% they were down. We some were minus to 1% down. So definitely there is some space for selling. As soon as we'll cross this level today because it's tested multiple time 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll see there is no support actually in market. Market rallied very quickly. So these levels we can see. Let's see how it goes. I think in the start of the market we may say face selling. So let's see. So plan should be So today I have this level one put is sold, so I have sold now this level P I have in the money put, so I will not do anything over there. Only if I get some nice bounce here, I will look for 17,900 call rating, but because this is gonna be sure short resistance. I will tell you why. If you look into Bank Nifty also, there is it faced resistance. So same way we can face resistance over there. So if I get the opportunity to short at this level, then and then I will short. Otherwise, I'll wait for whole week to a trend should be. So if market closes below 17,700 somewhere here in this range in this week, I will get good profit uh, in the money put and even in call writing position, but this will be in loss. So let's see how it goes. But if the market goes up here, so I will have opportunity to sell it again, and even the risk reward will be in my favor then in that case. So that's the trade plan. So let's go to global markets. It's very important to see how much global market record after yesterday's fall. So if you look in the Australia markets, around 50%, it was 2% down, so 50% it has retraced. So I just opened the Australian market, and if you look at this is a bigger candle that which was formed yesterday, and then now we have these smaller candles. So it's always that if you after the bigger candle, if you have such candles, it's always for selling, never for buying. Okay, either market will hold here, you'll get some profit. If market comes down from here, so it will be price action like down, up, down. So I think 1 2 3 patterns that call. So this is for purely for selling. So whenever market we get the bounce, you'll have to look for the opportunity for sale. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking. But there is a bounce of there is a healthy correction in the Australia market, and Belgium is negative. Brazil slightly 25% correction, recovery, what we say. China market still showing some bearishness. Denmark, see here, 3%, more than 3% down. Even France is more around 2% down. So yesterday's Europe market for like hell. So there was a lot of selling pressure over there. So that's the reason I'm saying we may face the selling pressure today at the opening itself. Uh, or we may start, we are in uh, very dangerous phase. So we may close 300 points upside also. No one knows. But that's the plan that we may face this one. But there is no point of taking new trade now. So we'll have to just hold existing trades. Japan market, it's showing bearishness. I think that's fine. Pakistan raid. There is no point of discussing Pakistan. Okay. Russia, it's in raid. UK in trade. United States. So after the yesterday's fall, still US markets are in what is it? In selling pressure. Let's open Nasdaq and this one. I think it's very important to see what happened over there. Okay. Daily candle. Yeah. So look at the bigger candle, then we have the selling candle here. So selling pressure still there over there. I think same I'm expecting over there in India market also. Some sort of candle we're gonna follow. So see, even here there is a selling pressure. So Nasdaq is very at crucial level. It broke down from here. it will take another 1,000 point down. So, but I'm not an expert in this market. It's just my predictions. Just uh, we are trying to find whether it's in selling pressure or buying pressure. It's a leading indicator. You're not going to trade on this one. Okay, it's broke down and then now it will take a trade. Just saying, okay, it's a selling pressure, so we'll also plan for the selling pressure. Okay, that's it. Uh, yes, so mota selling pressure is there. Let's look at the futures. What is happening over there? The futures slightly recovered. Okay, so that's the reason there will be some confusion. But other all futures are in red. And let me check. I don't know how to check Taiwan. Uh, that is also important. I have set it in my mobile because it's already 8:30. Wow. Oh, Taiwan is 183 point down today. Yeah, and that's it. So, and AJX Nifty is not showing much selling pressure, but Taiwan is showing selling pressure. Oh, that's fine. So, mota selling pressure. We may face selling pressure. So there is. We'll have to wait for if you anyone planning for dip to buy. Wait for it. You may get the opportunity to dip to buy, and for the sellers also you will get the dip to exit in good profit. So I'll be not in hurry to do any activities today because it's Friday and it can fry you. So you just have to hold your horses on Friday. Okay, so only trade that I will take if I get 17,900 as any bounce in any case. So I will be selling this one. Else I'll be happy with current trades and I'll be betting. No more trades. That's my trade plan. Even so if you look at here, okay, let me clear this one. I know I'm jumping from here and there because I'm not a professional YouTuber to explain this, but it just I'm recording it for myself. So okay, so there is a trend line from here. It's we are already trend lines. If you broke from trend line, we know the trend lines are very effective. It will definitely it will show the 17,400 levels for you. But that's a support area. Then it will spend some time. Then it will take new decision. So if in the morning itself it broke, you'll get the nice trade. But I'm not going to trade anything on this broker. Even I look for the if I get it's a 200 point down today, I'll look for the profit booking opportunity in call writing also in the money put also. Okay, so that's how it. So let's look like Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty is showing very bullishness. I don't know what's happening in Indian banks, but that's fine. So it broke down. It's again trying to jump above it, but today's Dow futures are in selling pressure to this may form M pattern and come down to this level because I don't see there is a point of banks going up when we have COVID and all these scenarios. So banks will face selling pressure. It's something calculated, manageable thing that happened yesterday. And at this point, I was actually trying for some in the money, not in the money, out of money option, 20 rupees all option. What I usually do, I buy the 20 minute, 20 rupees. I bought some 3600, 900 and 3600, 800, 17,000. These three levels I bought put, and I was expecting 1, 2, 3. It should come down. And my SL was around 8 rupees. Uh, and what I do usually half portion I book as a profit when I bought it at 20 or 22. I will sell it at one lot. I sell it at 31, 32. I did it for one 17, 37,000 level. So that's how I calculate the risk and I try to make it a free wallet trade. I'm practicing it actually. I'm not getting success here, but that's the reason I lost 1,000 rupees yesterday on it, and I think that's it. I'm only 1,000 rupees as my profit, but that's fine. Okay. In fee recovered slightly from these levels. Even I exited trade here yesterday because of I need some funds over there. So that's the reason. But clearly on selling pressure now. It may give another 1 or 2%. Reliance was clearly 2% plus selling. Let's look at the Bajaj Finance. I don't know what is happening in Bajaj Finance. I think because of COVID-19, many people gonna lose their jobs and all things. So all people will struggle to pay EMI, and then Bajaj will get some charges, overcharges, and Bajaj will trouble, and I think that's the reason they will get more profitable or something. But that's the reason. I think Bajaj Finance is rallying too. SBI are again 2% after this fall. IndusInd Bank was 2% up. Even I think let's look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank is in buying mode. I already have this in holding, so it's good that even Tata Power ended in very nice 229. So definitely I'm holding this one. That's good actually. I have this in Bharti Airtel. These are the stocks which rallies in when market falls. Not Tata Power, but Bharti Airtel. 1% fall in LNT. SBI Life 1+1%. That's healthy retracement. Otherwise, it will not go upside. It was likely from last one. So it will give this at least another uh, 10-20 points retracement. That's fine. That's it. I just want to show one more thing that I'm trying. So, so I have developed some program that will get this open interest rupees from call side and this one. So this type of graph I'm trying. So I have 3 days data. Let's see how it goes. For I'll be trying to get this data for a month and then we'll analyze what is the final result. So I have some Python code and all this part. If you like the my videos, I will try to explain you that thing also. Uh, Thank you guys. So again, trade plan only if I get 17,900 level today. I will try to short it for this week because I think that will be a lock for this week. Otherwise, if market goes down, no trade, no extra trades. I will be just to wait and watch and will wait my horses to win the race. That's it. Okay. Uh, thank you. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day. Have a nice trading day. Bye bye.